Oh, so hello guys. Now I'm going to show you how to make some extra cash on the side. This is not like a way where you can make a lot of money, or you could maybe, but um, you'll make some extra money, which is the point more, I guess. If you really want to, you could make well a bunch of money, I guess, but uh, well, it would require a bit more work, I think. But to get started now, the first thing you do is you want to download this app. Uh, it's called I'm going to show you here. It's called Gift Game. If, if when you open it up, this you come here to the home screen. You'll probably have something like I'm not sure 100 points or something maybe. Not really sure. But I have 2,968 at the moment. And the way you can make money, or points in this case first, and then you redeem it for cash. Out here, you need 20,300 coins to get $3. And to get $50, you would need 334,400. So it's a bit. But if you're really determined, I think you actually could make a bunch of money with this if you're well really determined. And this is just for Sweden. If you live in the United States, for example, you have Amazon gift cards. Think yeah, the it only costs 304,300 coins for the $50 PayPal Cash. PayPal Cash. I guess it's something to do with tax in Sweden or something. I'm not sure. But still, and you could get Google Play gift cards here, and iTunes gift card, Steam Wallet, PlayStation Network, Xbox Live, Xbox gift cards here. But going back here to the home screen, you will want to, if you want to make coins directly, you can first go to here, money, I guess. It's a little bit complicated in a way, I think. I haven't figured it all out. But these here apps and stuff you can download and you get coins, as you can see here. It isn't a lot for these, so I wouldn't bother with these personally, because I think it's way too little. It's a little personally. So I would go up here, and here you can choose. I was in this mode or in this before, but now I'm back here to show where you can find probably more coins easier probably. But these seem like you need to pay, or most are probably just free. Uh, uh, like free trials, except if you don't cancel them, you'll need to pay probably. But they will give you more money or points when. So then you have these like William Hill Casino Club thing, where you get 80,000 coins, and I think it was like it's about $10 I think, or something, 20 maybe. So it's pretty good, but here you probably have to pay. Yeah. Uh, if I translate here for you, no wait, it's in English. Sorry, it's just the first year, so what was in Swedish. It says make 8,000 coins, pretty much, but then you can read the rest for yourself. So you need to raise your new account on William Hill Casino Casino Club and make an initial deposit of £10, euros or dollars or more. And you need to play at least one game or make a bet. You must be a new user in order to, yeah, yada 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 yada. So you need to pay about $10, it seems, but in a way it's an investment, I would say. I will explain that a bit later, in a second. But first, I'm just going to show you there are free ones here. These are like surveys. So you get 1,200 coins to make a survey. I preferably don't like surveys that much, but they are okay sometimes, and it's okay with coins here. 1,200 coins for a survey, it isn't too shabby, you know. And you need what did I say before? I needed 12,308 or something for $3 PayPal card or PayPal redemption or $3 PayPal money, and so these surveys are a way to get more easily, but I would personally recommend these. It says over here, stora belöningar. It means big rewards. As you could guess yourself, it gives more points. This one, for example, you need to make a purchase on InClub for about $15 or more before taxes and blah 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 or yada yada yada. You know, yeah. You can combine what's called yeah, these coupons or whatever you want to call them, or yeah, you know, you can combine these with others. But yeah, so you need to pay about $15 to get 18,000 coins. This one I wouldn't really recommend if you really don't want, unless you really want something from InClub, because you need to pay $15 to get 18,000 coins, which is about, if I would take a wild guess now, because I don't know exactly what weight it is, but I think it will be around $5, 7, 8 maybe. I would say $5 kinda. So this one I wouldn't recommend because you will go back well, about $10 or something. So I wouldn't recommend this one if you really don't want anything from InClub. If you want that, sure, it's just extra cash, or it becomes cheaper if you're already going to buy something from InClub. But I would recommend like William Hill Casino Club, for example, to get 8,000 coins. And here you need to only pay $10 kinda. I'm going to go back here to, I'm going to back here to redeem. And we can check here. I'm going to use PayPal for this because it's more exact, or it's cash more like, so it's pure money instead of gift cards. So 80,000 points gives you about, well, it's a bit over $10. So, well, all in all, you don't make money that way. I would say, wait, or 70. Yeah, it's, well, okay. Okay, you make a bet. It's almost $3 extra, and you get the casino bonus or thing. So you definitely make all your money back. You don't lose any money this way. And you have the ability to win more at the casino. Where you want to play more, that's what we want, I guess, for you to play more at casino after you've used your initial $15 or $10. But if you don't want to do that, sure, fine. You have made about $3 directly there, no catch really, or probably some catch somewhere maybe, but still, you have made $3 in pure cash, technically. So, and that's pretty good in a way, actually, because you have a chance to winning more. Say you win $100 then on the casino with those $10 to begin with. You might only win $15 after the. I think it's an. You have to play for a certain amount before you can cash out. But still, if you then win there and pass this cash out limit, where you can cash out, you then make extra money. Sure, you can lose all it, but most likely you lose everything on the casino. You lose those $10 gone like that, like in a flash. They're probably gone. You have made nothing at the casino, but then you can ignore the casino. And I would really recommend it. Don't play at a casino. So, but then you have actually made about $3. Not exactly $3, but about $3. And by doing this, you can gradually make more money. And down here, you can see these ones. It's a slot game in this app. I made most of my money from this one, and you get hearts here. It depends, and when you're full, you have about 5 chances in this slot machine, and you can win about 100 coins per spin. No wait, 150 I think per spin, and that's just free there without doing anything really. Just be and an ad in after each spin. I have been able to just skip it or like press the back here or the back key on the phone, and it it just skips it, so I don't really have to see it. But I've used all my hearts now, so I can't really use this, or I can, but then I'm not sure, probably have to see a video and get another heart. No, not in this one, but in 7 hours I will be able to spin again and make a bit money. So I might make in this one, if I win big on all, I might make about 500 coins, 800 coins maybe, and if I have a bad streak, 200 maybe or less. But you have one more or two more. You have a lucky spin, which is like, yeah, you guessed it, you know what it is. It's a wheel you can spin here, and it seems like you can also win $1 down. Wait, sorry, down here in pure cash. I've never won that one, so I don't know. I saw it now. I haven't really focused that much on this one, but you also get the same thing here, a bunch of spins, and you can win then up to 100 coins. But you can also win nothing. Sorry, took a screenshot there. Sorry. Move that one. Let's go do this. Here, it can also win 0. So, well, you haven't really gambled anything, so it's really not really a big deal, but still, and you can win with different amounts. I often win pretty often actually 100, sometimes about 40, 24, sometimes low. I once won 0. That's not really a win, but still, I once gotten 0, so I think it's once, yeah. So yeah, but I've never gotten $1 and never the times 3 spins. So I can't be sure what it does, but if you had to make a wild yes, and this might be out in the blue there now, but I think you get 3 more spins. Don't be too alarmed now if it is wrong, because I can be wrong, but I think it's right actually. But still, yeah. And this here you can actually win a bit fun. And you have a third, and this is the final thing. It's called Firefinger, and this one actually I have arts in. I don't like this that much, but I can show it to you. Art here. This one shows up, and you press this button here, and when the time goes down like that, and when you win here, and like this, an ad will pop up. I just press backspace, or you can press the exit or the X up there, the exit window or whatever. So, and there you won 27 coins, depending on how fast you click on the button. Well, I don't like that much because you don't really win that much for it, personally, I think. But it's a way to win some extra money. Well, and there are some other ways. You can invite people here and get 800 coins for each successful invite. I would love if you guys used my invite code. I will leave it in the description for you guys so you can find it. Use my invite code if you found this helpful, or if you want to support me and I think you can put it in when you sign up, and I'm not sure, but you might get a bonus, but I'm not sure about that one. I have not used my own, because I found this app in the App Store and just downloaded it, or in the Google Play Store and just downloaded it. So I haven't really, so I don't have an invite code. So I haven't tried that one. Sometimes you get points from certain apps, and sometimes you don't. It looks like you don't actually get anything for putting it in, but still. If you would do it, it would help me a lot, or a bit at least, and it will be real nice of you. And yeah, if you do that, I would be really happy. Thank you if you do that. But now back here, you have some other things. Now I can show you some other things here, like this Tapjoy, and this is like more third-party surveys. Here you can get up to, or here you get around 11,560 for playing this game. Don't always gameplay it, and you get different amounts here. Well, and these ones have different amounts. It seems like Supersonic isn't rated, so it isn't really, you can't really use of them. Native X, well, as you guessed, it has surveys or things you should do. This one doesn't say. Still, you have to look through these and look at those if you want. And yeah, I think that's all actually. Yeah, that's all I think. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. And have a great day. Bye.